Well, the second annual Imperial Valley Ag Expo took place yesterday at the Imperial Fairgrounds. Everything ag-related was present at the expo, a unique experience for those in the industry. News 11's Alexandra Rangel has more.
We Grow That was the theme of this year's Ag Expo. Local vendors and farmers from across the county came to the expo to demonstrate their latest farming techniques and tools.
Well, number one, they're going to see a variety of different vendors where they can learn a little bit about agriculture, whether you're interested in, water, whether you're interested in tractors, parts, service. There's a lot. There's a little bit of everything.
Everything from sustainability farming practices to large machinery.
And cool technology that helps farmers save money.
Technology to help increase farming efficiency was at the forefront of this expo.
Fly the drones over the farm, 350 acres in less than 40 minutes, get the data, actionable data for the farmer to make decisions on the farm, like what areas of the farm is lacking water, what areas of farm needs more fertilizers or pesticides or weeds. It's a great tool for farmers to save money actually and resources.
Inspiring youth to pursue a career in agriculture was a main highlight of the expo. Over 400 local high school students were in attendance with the hopes of sparking a passion for agriculture.
But the truth is, there's so many opportunities. And as you can see, the vendors here, from ag business, or if you want to work in irrigation, or harvesting, or different parts vendors. So we wanted to do that to inspire young people.
I was recently accepted into UC Davis, and I want to pursue an animal science major. FFA has given me the opportunity to, for example, here at the Imperial Valley Expo, we presented our animals. So that was an experience because you have to be presentable and responsible, wake up early with an animal.
Programs like FFA and IVROP are educating students about opportunities here in the Valley.
I'm so fortunate, if I could say fortunate, of my students wanting to pursue a career in agriculture. We do have a negative stigma of the industry, but our students are understanding that with education, there's a lot of opportunities in the industry.
A lot of times students are looking for internships, and we have a lot of programs that are working with individual companies. And we have so many students coming that we're really trying to build on that. So even when they graduate, there's job opportunities as well.
As for Natalia, she is determined to make a difference in the Valley.
In the Imperial Valley, we have few veterinarians for horses. In Calexico, we have none. So I would love to come impact my own place where I grew up.
Reporting in Imperial, Alexandra Rangel.